What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about, can you, personally, make money online? It's a question everybody has right now, so we need to answer it. Alright guys, if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm Rico. We talk about Amazon drop shipping here, Amazon FBA, general entrepreneurial practices, motivation, that type of stuff. So if you're into it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Click that little notification bell that's around here somewhere. I have no idea where it's at, but it's around here somewhere, so click it. Alright, and for you guys that are our regulars, you already know what's up, man. We're going to get right into it. So, we need to talk about, can you make money online? The answer to that is a little dicey. Yes, you can, but not everybody will. So what that means is, while anybody can go out there, make money online like we do, not everybody's going to be able to do it. Anybody can, but not everybody will. You see, you get what I'm saying here? Alright, let's break it down. Let's explain why. So now there's a lot of different businesses that people can get into. And while I wholeheartedly agree that there's a business online for everyone, not everybody's going to succeed with it. So, you know, you have affiliate marketing, you have like multi-level marketing, which I can't stand. I think that's the biggest scam on the face of the planet. You have selling on Amazon, whether you're FBA, drop shipping, you have Shopify, drop shipping, or building a personal brand, private labeling, selling there. You have information products, you have, like anything. Selling stuff on Craigslist, flipping cell phones, electronics, selling on eBay. God, like there's so many different things. Holding like paid Facebook groups and stuff. I mean, absolutely insane. It's insane the amount of money that can be generated through online ventures. So I truly, honestly believe that there's a business for everyone out there. Everybody can go make money. Everybody. There's a business for everybody out there. But unfortunately, not everybody will make money. And it's for a myriad of reasons, really. So the first one is going to be because you guys are some lazy turds. Not you guys in particular, but people are just lazy. It is what it is. Like, people, you know, they want to learn how to do what we do on Amazon. They want to learn how to make all that money, but they're lazy. They don't want to capitalize on it. Oh, it's too time consuming. It's too difficult. And that's why they're broke. Period. That's why they're broke. End of discussion. You know, other people don't have the know-how. You know, they just don't. They don't have the know-how to benefit from using the internet to make income. You know, some of them are stuck in like the archaic ways of doing things old school, you know, word of mouth, you know, face to face, which is fine. If you can make money doing it, you go right ahead, baby. You go make your money. Make them dollar bills. Doesn't matter. You know, then there's other people who don't know where to start. And that's a lot of people. I think that's, outside of the people being lazy, I think this is the reason why a majority of people do not start, is because they don't even know where to begin. So people don't know if they're good at affiliate marketing. They don't know if they're good at selling on Amazon. They don't know if they're good at selling on Shopify. They don't know if they're good at at anything, really. So either A, they don't start, which is terrible, or B, they get shiny object syndrome and they just try everything. They just try 1,000,001 things and they just go with it, and it's terrible. It's really, really terrible to have that method, that mentality. Like, you should not be doing that. Just trying all these different things. Like, you should stick to something, find, you know, and see if it works. Like, stick with it. Really give it the old college try, if you guys have been to college. Hopefully you've heard that expression. It's kind of old. But yeah, you stick with it. Learn something, guys. Learn something, man. You know, I'm being real with you. Like, I'm never going to try to steer you guys wrong with, oh yeah, you guys can make a ton of money. Everyone will make money online. Yo, everybody can, not everybody will. And a lot of people get that shiny object syndrome and they just jump from thing to thing to thing to thing to thing. And that, you can't do that, because you're not going to be successful in any one thing if you're constantly jumping from project to project to project. There's a reason why people who get project car after project car never complete one, is because they're always moving on to the next thing. Oh, I want to build a Fox Body Mustang on spray. Oh, I want to build a LS swap Miata. Oh, I want to build a 2J swapped RX-7. Oh, I want to build it. Guys, just stick with something and see it through. You never know if you're going to be good at it or great at it or terrible at it unless you really stick with it. And then there's the people that don't try because they're afraid to fail. Guys, failure happens. Failure is something that people go through in their lives, and it's something that I've experienced personally. I've experienced like the most hardcore failures. You know, I mean, like I had money stolen from me. Like most of you guys don't know the story, but back when I got out the military, you know, I got into business with a gentleman, someone I thought was my friend, and you know, go into business and find out like I'm not making any money. Like I'm putting in hours and hours and hours and hours. I'm putting in 16, 18-hour days in some cases, like being at the shop till 3-4 o'clock in the morning. You know, just working, grinding this out, trying to build this business up, and I'm not seeing any money from it. Because guess what? I'm not making any money. All that money's going to that person. You know, so it was an eye-opening experience, man. And even though I failed at it, I still kept trying my hand at business. I never gave up because I truly believed in myself. I believed that I could do this. I'm like, I can do this. I can be successful. You know, and success comes in many different forms, whether it's entrepreneurship or in a career. Like I'm successful in my career the same way that a lot of people are, and you guys can be successful doing whatever it is that you do. So never rule yourselves out. You know, never think that one path is the only way to be successful. But for me, I just knew I was going to be successful trying, different entrepreneurial things, and so it worked out, and so it happened. And but that failure and then the subsequent ones that came after that, because there was a lot more than just that one. It really helped guide me to this point, So over the course of those years where I was building that skill set and learning and getting that mental toughness, because that's what failure teaches you. It teaches you that mental toughness. Whereas if you've always been a winner in life, you're not going to know how to handle failure when it comes. When it's inevitable, everyone's going to fail at something. So a lot of people don't have that grit. They can't just dig in and keep trying. They get that first failure and it's it. It's like, I'm done. I'll never be able to accomplish anything, and blah 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 blah. And it's a defeat mentality, and you don't want to have that. So guys, like, yes, you can make a ton of money online. You can make a ton. Like our students make a lot of money. Students in other courses make a lot of money too. I'm not saying that they don't, but not everyone will do it. We all have the potential to do great things, but not everybody will do great things. Not everybody is going to be that person that really sticks it out and tries to, push the envelope. You just kind of sit back and hope for the best, and that's just not the way to be. Like, you really have to put forth the effort and figure out what you're good at and what you can make money with. The internet is vast. It is massive. There are so many opportunities to make money. You guys just have to find what works for you. Just try. Just get out there and actually try, man. Don't sit around and just hope that something comes to you, because it's not going to just fall into your lap. Like in some cases it does. Like with Amazon, that literally fell into my lap. Okay, like selling on Amazon, like, private label drop shipping on Amazon fell into my lap, guys. Like, I'm not going to say that it didn't. Like, I had this grand plan to change the Amazon game. Like, literally just fell into my lap, and I just capitalized on it and kept going from there. So, yeah, sometimes you do get lucky. And I did. I got really lucky with Amazon. I'm not saying that I didn't, but, you still have to try. You still have to take that opportunity to capitalize and really, really, really work. You have to grind it out. And that's what, me and Dan did. And, we're here today. We're 6-figure Amazon sellers, trying to scale up to do those, $1 million mark, but we keep giving away all of our products. We give away all our products to our students. So we may never see that $1 million mark. We may just be perpetual 6-figure sellers. And that's cool, because that's success to us. Like, if you've sold anything online, you're already more successful than, I'd say, 90-something% of the world in all actuality. So, just keep that in mind, guys. Like, you can make a ton of money, but not everyone will. And you want to be in a category that does. You don't want to be the person that kind of sits by the wayside and hopes for the best and is like, oh, well, maybe I'll do this, maybe I'll do that. Because, maybes, man, they don't get anything done. Yeses get things done. Like, don't tell me maybe. Like, I don't want you guys to be maybes. Maybe I'll do this, maybe this will happen. Like, you need to be definitive. Yes, I believe I can do this, or no, I'm not going to do this. It needs to be either or. It can't be like, well, maybe I'll do this. Like, that's something that we teach our students. Like, there's no maybe. Like, don't come to me with a maybe. You're coming to me to teach you how to make money. Don't come to me with a maybe attitude, because I don't need your money. Like, I don't need it. Like, if you're going to pay me to tell me that a maybe, like, I'd rather you not pay me at all. I'd rather you just keep doing what you're doing, because maybes don't cut it. Like, maybe didn't get me and Dan to where we are in our careers. Maybe didn't get, our business to pay for our cars. in our lifestyles and stuff like that, you know, maybe didn't, you know, get us anywhere here. Maybe didn't build a 6-figure Amazon business. It didn't. Yes, I can do this did. Like, yes did. Yes is the reason why we're here, and yes is going to be the reason why you guys succeed. Point blank, period. No is going to be the reason why you guys fail. You know, because let's just face it, like, no is a defeatist attitude. Like, it's always a yes. Always. Like, yes, I can do this. Yes, I believe I can do this. Yes, I can make money online. That's what you guys need to be telling yourselves. You need to get it in your head right here. Yes, I can make money online. Don't look at all these people, you know, driving Lamborghinis and all this stuff as actual truth. In fact, you just need to focus on what you're good at, and the money's going to come. Now, I'm not saying you're going to be driving a Lamborghini. I'm not saying I'm ever going to drive a Lamborghini. But what I am saying is, as long as you have that mental toughness and that grit, you got that ingrained in your mind, that yes attitude, you guys are going to make money online. You just have to find what you're good at. Some people are good at affiliate marketing. I'm definitely not good with affiliate marketing. It's just not my thing. I'm not passionate about it. It's not something I want to do. You know, but there's all types of other things, man. You know, you can buy and sell cell phones like I do on the side. You know, if I find a good deal, you know, I just jump on Craigslist and somebody's selling an iPhone 10 for like $400 because they're in a rough spot. Hey, guess what? I know I could sell that for at least $600-700. That's a quick come up. That's making money online, just like that, right there. I didn't have to do anything for it other than get on the computer or look on my phone and find it. So, guys, don't you know, sit there and think that, you know, you have to make $1 million online to be successful or anything like that. You just have to make money. Any money that you make online is good money because it's more money than what you had. So, yeah, there's that. So, guys, man, if you like that, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You know, click the little notification bell so you can get notified when we drop videos. We're trying to go to the daily upload schedule. I don't know if we're going to be able to pull that off because, like I said, man, we have day jobs and stuff like that. So maybe we can pull it off. Maybe we can't. Maybe we'll do the daily uploads. Maybe we'll do, you know, continue doing like 3-4 times a week. But, you know, we got a little feedback and people are like, oh, you know, we want you guys to post more. So that's what we're going to try to do. No guarantees, man. No guarantees. But we're going to try. All right? So, yeah, that's it, man. You know, get out there. Go make some money. So, before you guys leave, make sure you check out the links in the description, man. Like our free ebook. If you guys want to learn how to sell on Amazon, if you want to get into this making money online with Amazon, yo, this is the easiest way to do it. Get that ebook, baby. Get that ebook. It's absolutely free. You can make money. You can make money. A ton of money. You hear that? I'm pretty sure you guys hear that siren. So yeah, with that, we're gonna go ahead and end it. So, all right, peace out, guys, man. You guys have a great time. Have a good night. Be safe out there. You know, we'll see you in the next one. All right.